Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate the features within the course player. After you visit scheduleacademy.com, click on Sign In. Enter the login credentials you entered during sign up. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn sign-ins. On my dashboard, you will see your enrolled courses. Initially, progress will be 0%. Click on Start Course. You will see progress is 0% complete, and first lesson, a message from instructor under Welcome module is text displayed on the right side of the screen. Once you complete reading it, click Complete, and next lesson will be displayed. This is video lesson. You can pause the video, increase the speed and quality up to full HD 1080 pixels. You can also click Enlarge to watch it on full screen. If you see this icon, it's download icon to download the video to your machine. You can also enlarge the screen here. You will notice I have progressed 4% after completing 2 lessons. Blue tick indicates I have completed that lesson. I can also jump to different lessons. After only you watch full video, progress is recorded. If you exit Course Player and open it again, the next session will resume from where you left. Happy learning, and thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.